So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna make sure that you chooses the best volleyball for yourself. So choosing a volleyball as a beginner is a difficult task, and to make your task easier I'm gonna today review the online volleyball on websites like Flipkart and Amazon. So I'm just thinking of series in which you will get different types of volleyballs for different level of players, for example as a beginner, as an intermediate and as an advanced player. And you know that volleyballs are of different categories and price ranges, so which will be best for you, I will make sure of that. So without making much delay, let's move on to our PC. So guys, we have come onto our PC and just move on to any of your web browser. So I'm gonna choose Chrome, and in Chrome you can firstly type any one with the Amazon or Flipkart. In India we have the biggest giants in e-commerce, Amazon and Flipkart. So firstly I will go with the Amazon. On Amazon, if you write volleyball, then this will be the results which will be showing you, and you can see stuff related to volleyball will come here, and you can also see the prices. I have already unboxed this volleyball, Navia Encounter. So if you haven't watched that video, you can find on my YouTube channel. As you can see, there are plenty of volleyballs, but to make sure which one is for us, I'm gonna make my job clear. So this volleyball also I have unboxed, this Vector Spike, and size is also 4, and the price is also, you can see, 415 rupees. Actually this ball is very good for the beginners, but on Amazon I think some price is a bit more, but let's find if another if it seems. This kind of balls I will not recommend, because these are the stitched ones. Earlier I have purchased this ball when I was not just playing volleyball, but for fun I had purchased this, but this kind of ball didn't last for more, and you can see the price is also 788, but in offline market you can easily get it at the price of 500 or around something. So let's see another. Yeah, the page is over. So I think let's find the better one with the Vector Spike. So Vector Spike is of 415. Let's check if another this Live Hub, this is also a wastage of money, don't go with it. Means here there are volleyballs for other purposes, but for you means playing in not in indoor but in outdoor, that will not be the suitable for you. There is a ball Costco synthetic, and the price is 459. So we will also check this, but let's see. This is a soft play, Vector soft play, and price is 475. There is a Costco Academy volleyball full, price is 430, and rest all you can see. Don't go with this and this. See this Volleyball League, 309 rupees. This also seems better. We will check this also. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's go with this first one, this Navia Creators. I have used this ball, and this is similar to like the Vector Spike, and you can see the price is 379 rupees, and you can also see here it is the, let me first show you this. This is the #1 seller, best seller product, and also there are 2222 ratings, and let's see this product by zooming. Here is the product ID, barcode ID, and Okay, go with this. Yeah, you can see here it's the mid layer and the latex glued polyester and nylon yarn. As you can see, that means the portion which is inside this is made up of this polyester and nylon yarn, and the glue which is used is of latex. And also you can see here the top layer is durable and abrasion resistant dimpled rubber. Also there are 12 panels in this, and this is a molded volleyball which is good for outside. If you play on the outside surfaces, which is a hard surface, this will be good. And let's check the reviews. Also there is a color, you can see orange and purple color, and the price is $3.99. so it's your wish. Also there is a volleyball plus pump facility here. If you go with this volleyball, if you just have made that I want to buy this, and also you want the pump, then there is a combo of 619 rupees. This is the manufacturer. We have already discussed this layers and panels, all that. Here are some of the FAQs for the customer. Now let us see the rating. There is a 3.7 rating out of 5, as you can see, and total of more than 2000 ratings are there, and almost 5-star rating is 41%. So it's a good number. That means this ball is actually valuable. So let's see the review images by the customers. You can see the picture of this volleyball as it is played, and it's just get dirty and didn't seem much burst in condition. Let's see another one. Yeah, that's also good. Let's see another one. Yeah, you can see here. One thing I need to tell you, that if you can see here, means this kind of volleyballs are printed one, and means outside surface is printed one, and not so means that kind of cheap quality. It's good, but when you use it on a very hard surface, so after a while it will get its color vanishing, turning off. But it didn't mean that it will just you buy and within a week it will do like that. But I'm trying to say that after 1 or 2 months your volleyball will be just getting off with the color, if you use on a hard surface. Then otherwise it will be okay. In my case, I was not having a good ground with the grass and all kind of that. I was using on a cement ground, and I was doing the tapping practice on the wall, so it was just getting coloring off. But then also it took, I think, 2.5 months for me. So you can see here there are the images given by the customers. So from the images itself you can understand the product is of good. And see here there is a damage. Let me show you. So this guy Cheetah Kona 20 days key, I don't understand this language. I think it is in I think it is South Indian language. But yeah, this thing can happen, but not in the normal condition. I think he have done something wrong. Means at least in playing time this will not happen. That's my surety. I haven't faced this kind of situations ever. So in this, that's it into this video, and I guess you got a very clearly overview of this Nivea Kratos molded volleyball. And I think in this price segment of 380 rupees and below 400, this will be one of the good options. In the upcoming videos we will discuss more about this under 500 series volleyballs, especially the molded ones for the harder surface and outside players. So if you want to just get started with the volleyball, just make sure watch this video completely and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.